Hello everyone, you are on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to call Google Home from iPhone. Let's go. Open App Store. Find and install Google Meet app. Open Google Home app. Choose your device. Settings. Voice calls. Make sure that Google Meet is linked. Open Google Meet. New. Call my home devices. That's it. Now we know how to call Google Home from iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.